Hello and welcome to the Threat Hunting on AWS training program. I'm thrilled to have you here as we embark on this journey into the exciting world of proactive security. In today's digital landscape, organizations face a constant barrage of evolving cyber threats. These threats can put sensitive data, critical applications, and your organization's reputation at risk. That's where threat hunting comes in. Threat hunting is not just about setting up defenses and waiting for alerts to go off. It's about actively seeking for those hidden adversaries who may have already infiltrated your systems, operating silently in the shadows. It's about being a detective in the world of technology, meticulously examining every clue and anomaly to uncover potential threats before they escalate. In this section, we will cover an overview of threat hunting, pyramid of pain, tools, threat hunting maturity model, threat hunting process, importance of threat hunting, threat detection, and threat intelligence. Now, why are we focusing on AWS, Amazon Web Services? AWS is the leading cloud provider trusted by organizations worldwide to host their critical infrastructure and applications. With this trust comes the responsibility to secure these cloud applications effectively. In this training program, we will explore the unique challenges and opportunities presented by AWS. We'll learn how to leverage AWS' wide array of security services, logs, and data sources to actively hunt for threats within your cloud environment.